This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Steam Cloud sync error. Follow these easy steps to fix this error. First of all, launch your Steam and go to Library and click on Steam menu, Settings. Here, select Cloud and make sure to enable Steam Cloud option. If it's already enabled, toggle this switch off and then toggle on this switch. And after doing this, again click on Steam menu, Settings, and here now we will click on Storage, and here you will get your current drive where you installed all of your games. So we are going to click on this three dot and click on Repair Library, and this will repair your library and all of your games. And after quickly doing it, check the cloud sync error is solved or not. And if you are facing the same problem, then go to your Steam menu again, Settings, and now click on Downloads. And here you will get this Clear Download Cache option. So all you have to do is just click on Clear Cache, and then you have to relog into your Steam account. So log back into your account, and that's how you'll be able to solve this cloud sync error on Steam. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.